Alright, today I wanted to just spend a few minutes talking about my new clutch and flywheel. A couple of days ago, I had my mechanic install the ECS Tuning RA4 conversion, which is basically a single mass steel flywheel that's significantly lighter than stock, as well as the RS4 B7 OEM clutch. And I'm out here driving literally in city traffic, breaking this thing in. It's just happened that way. I'm picking up some stuff from my wife. Anyway, the first thing that happened when I picked the car up at the shop was that I stalled the engine going to first gear. So the clutch is a little bit stiffer than stock. It takes a little bit of adjustments, a little bit of getting used to, but it's not very stiff. Like, I would compare it with my previous car, the WRX STI, and that clutch was a lot stiffer. I would stall it, after when I first bought that car, I would stall it again and again and again. It probably took me a few months to get used to that clutch. I don't know if that car had the stock clutch or not. The owner I bought it from, he said he had a upgraded clutch. Don't know if that was true or not, but anyway, yeah. So I stalled this. I stalled the car going to first. Haven't stalled this car since. Let's see what happens now. We're at a red light, coming to green. First gear, second gear, very low speed here, low RPM, 800 RPM. The other thing that I noticed is that I get some more vibration in the car at low RPM. So, like, let's say higher gear, low RPM, the car is loud. So I'm in second now. I'm gonna go to third, and then on throttle like this, fourth gear now, going uphill, a little bit of throttle, 1500 RPM. I think like below 1800 RPM I'm getting more vibration, or at least it's more noticeable than before. It's not really bothering me so far, but I think on I'll have to find out pretty much, right, how this will behave on highway. On longer journeys I would be in sixth gear on highway, right, and I would try to preserve fuel. You know, when I'm going somewhere, going fishing somewhere, or going hunting, or going do something with my family, right? I would be in a higher gear, low RPM, and I want to find out how loud the car is, or if I get more vibrations there. But on that note, my mechanic, he did say that when having the car in the air, he thought he saw some fluid around the engine mount. So it could be that I have a worn out engine mount, and that's of course adding to the vibrations a bit, right? So based on that, I've gone ahead and I've ordered the 034 Motorsports Street Density Line engine mount, as well as the snub mount. That should be in my mail by next week, and we'll have that installed and we see if things improve. But yeah, a little bit of vibration, a bit louder, no shatter. It's not uncomfortable. It's pretty much like what it was, I would say. And I'm in third gear right now. Gonna step on the gas a little bit, but it's very slippery today. We got -degrees Celsius. There's snow and ice on the road. Going uphill over a bridge here. I'll step on it a bit. Third. Yeah, okay, that was strange. Mind you, this is a non-resonated exhaust, so it is louder. And in the back I have some of the panels taken out because I had a leak from my window washer line there in the back. So third gear, we're gonna a little bit of a straight here, so we accelerate, right? Traffic. Gonna shift to fourth gear, get a let the RPM drop a little bit. Yeah, how about that? Okay, good. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching.